you done with tummy time? Are you done with tummy time? No? 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 I know you got the hiccups. You got a hurricane in the back of your head. It's Hurricane Zoe. Hurricane Zoe.
It's all right. She's balding like her daddy.
That's so she didn't think that was funny. Where are you going? You gotta let me know where you're going.
Either she's trying to nurse or she's fixing to throw up on you.
One or the other. It doesn't make me feel any better. Yeah, Daddy needs to lose weight. I know. What? 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 Looks like Uncle Jake right now. Oh, Nick. Shrek, baby. I'm sorry. Did I offend you?
Kiss the bottom of her feet.
I'm not kissing the bottom of your feet.
Why not? She makes the funniest faces.
Nah, give me a foot. Woo! Suey's! 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 Suey feet! Suey feet! Suey feet! You ever heard of a finger sandwich? I got a toe sandwich. What? What? She boarded. Ooh. Mm. Oh my God. I want a fork.